This is the Akuvox E13S. Don't let the size fool you. It's honestly one of the best value, budget-friendly door phones we stock right now. This is perfect for any single resident homes, individual residential units, or small offices. I'm going to show you exactly what it does and why we keep recommending it. Before we get into it, Akuvox products are for dealers only, so be sure to check out the link in the description or go to our website to join the dealers program today. It's completely free and you get some incredible benefits with it. So out of the box, the unit itself has a super clean, single button design. It's compact but feels solid, and it's PoE powered, so one cable handles power and data, making install simple. It's IP65 rated. Rain, dust, debris, no problem. The operational temperature range is -40 all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The HD camera has a 114-degree horizontal field of view. It has a 1/2.8 CMOS sensor and built-in infrared lights that kick in automatically in low light. Nighttime is not a problem. With built-in two-way audio enhanced with noise cancellation, you get crystal clear communication both ways. It has a 13.56 MHz RFID and NFC card reader built into the button, and it's compatible with MyFair cards. This main button is also a call button, ready to ring any Akuvox monitor paired. If you connect your device to the cloud, you can remotely manage your devices, and you can use the Smart Plus app. Here you're able to answer door phones, unlock doors if you have access, and view various system logs. The call button LED can be red, blue, or purple. By default, blue and purple are for communication, red is for offline or other technical difficulties, and it flashes red and blue during emergency alarms. Now, this door phone is ONVIF compliant, so it can be easily integrated with existing systems belonging to other manufacturers. But we do recommend, if you're able, to use other Akuvox products to take advantage of all that the Akuvox ecosystem has to offer. So, to recap, solid camera, proper MyFair and NFC access control, SIP and ONVIF for integrators, PoE, weatherproof, and intercom functionality. Just about everything you need, all at an incredible price point. Check the links in the description, and if you've got questions about your specific setup, let us know down in the comments below.